All right, let's look at this example. So occasionally you will see opposite factors in a rational expression. So like a minus b divided by b minus a. So they're like almost the same but opposite of each other. Right? So it's kind of like if you have 3 divided by negative 3. Right? They're the same number but opposites. Well, when you divide this, you get negative 1. Okay, so you don't get 1, you get negative 1. Same if you have a whole term that's completely opposite. So we have a minus b over b minus a. So a's have opposite signs and b has opposite signs. Right? So you have this sort of these two factors. They cancel, but you get a negative 1. Okay, because they're exact opposites, just like with numbers. Another way you can think about it is like if for the bottom I could factor a negative 1. So I have a minus b on the top, and on the bottom I'm going to factor a negative 1, and then I'm going to have a minus b on the bottom. Then it crosses out and you get the negative 1. Okay? So watch out for those. So in a lot of the rational expressions, when you factor, you might notice matching factors, but they're opposite signs. You can still cross them out, but then the result will be negative 1 instead of positive 1. All right. So let's look at example 7.4. So we're going to factor the top, 2 parentheses, x squared is x times x. 32 will be 8 times 4, I think works. So negative 8 plus 4, right? Because that gives me negative 8 plus 4 gives me negative 4x in the middle. All right? On the bottom, it's a difference of squares. So it's 8 minus x and 8 plus x. All right? So notice like these are opposites of each other. Right? So if I separate these from the fraction, right? When I cross them out, I'm going to get a negative 1 as a result. Okay? So we have negative 1 times x plus 4 over 8 plus x. Right. Let's distribute that negative 1. So we have negative x minus 4. And this one I can write in order x plus 8. There you go.